Hello and welcome to another Matt's Car Chat. Today we're going to be unboxing my new Rupes Bigfoot Mark III dual action polisher, going over what comes with the Lux kit and all the new Rupes products, and also looking at some of the Rupes products I've got already. Hope you enjoy. So the first thing of note with the Rupes Bigfoot Mark III polisher and the Lux kit that we've got here today is the bag that it comes in. I think that's really special, and I'm actually going to kind of put all of my polishers in the same bag. So I just wanted you to kind of see that bag first and foremost. It's really solid, really solid sides as well. So with the Lux kit you get a set of the 4 Rupes cloths, and I've got a set of them already. The microfiber pads, I've got the fine and I've got the coarse microfiber. I ordered those extra, so those bits are not part of the set. You get a coarse wool and a yellow wool as part of the Lux set. You also get what nobody else has got out there at the moment is the new DA fine foam pad, and obviously that is the latest Rupes fine pad, and then the Rupes coarse pad. So this is different to lots of the other Lux packs that are out there, is that we've got the new kit in it. We've got the new yellow and we've got the new blue and the foams there. You also get the Rupes the Rupes apron, which I've got one of those already, so I'm thinking about putting that on eBay. You get the Rupes claw tool, which is really cool for cleaning out the pads and also for brushing them out as well, just to kind of get the clear coat out of it. So I haven't had one of those before, so I'm looking forward to using that, and I think that's going to be a really good addition once it goes back in the box. Lovely. So that's the claw foot. Then again, similarly to the new foam pads, you get the new compound. So this is the new DA system for Rupes. So that's the fine, that one's the coarse, and then this one is the Uno Protect. So this is the all-in-one. So again, with the latest Lux kit, that is a part of it. And then finally in here we've got the Mark III polisher, and you will see that I haven't even taken this out of the cover yet. So this is the Mark III 15mm throw Bigfoot. Main differences from the old one is the 2 rest stands on there, and also the bigger thumb turn and the progressive trigger. So that is my latest. Oh no, there's one bit I've forgotten, and also the cable clip, because this one has got a much longer cable on it, so it's really handy for a bit of cable management just to get that there. So this is my latest DA kit from Rupes, the Mark III Bigfoot. So the Bigfoot Mark III dual action is going to go with my Bigfoot Mini. So this is the LHR 75E. This was my first one, and I bought this just to have a little practice with, in kind of play with, and was really impressed with the results. And I've also got that, I bought that as a kit, so that came with the original compounds, the blue and the yellow, and then I bought, when the DA range came out, I bought the new fine and coarse there. You'll see that I've already got a set of Rupes cloths, which are really good. Got the Rupes fine there, which works with the white pad, and then this is the larger bottle of the Uno Protect, again similar to what I've got in the, well no, the same product that I've got in the Bigfoot set. These are the new foam pads. So the white foam compound and the blue foam compound are different from the old set, but the yellow foam, although it's a different shape, it's the same foam. Here I've got the 2 microfibers for the 75, the 2 wools, I need a new wool, and then these are the old pads there. And then just to give you a quick run through, we've got on the top shelf here, this is all of the products that I'm currently using, a range of the cloths that I'm using here, some of the equipment, that I am using. I'm particularly enjoying the stubby gun. That's my paint depth gauge in there. My blaster sidekick, so that's my air blower. I've got a compact Karcher in there, wash buckets, and then this is my kind of industrial set. So we've got Surfx HD, we've got auto foam from Built Hamber. These are AM iron and bubbles back there, and then my APC in there, and then an AM iron. So just a little walk through my selection today. Wash mitts are up there. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.